Atlas Butler provides 24/7 5-star service for your peace of mind. So when you choose to work with us, you can expect our very best to keep you comfortable. In fact, our integrity, professionalism, and knowledgeable technicians are what have kept our customers coming back over the 100+ years we've been in service. Atlas Butler has more certified technicians, and our vehicles are fully stocked with parts, so we always have what we need on hand. Plus, we don't subcontract technicians. We believe in investing in people who want to do good work with us. In fact, we have our own training facility for constant education and certification. We provide HVAC and plumbing repair, maintenance, water heaters, installation, and duct cleaning services that are held to our comfort pledge, meaning that we will have you up and running within 24 hours. When you call Atlas Butler, you can trust that you are a priority. When you book your appointment online or over the phone, you can expect a text with personalized information about your arrival window and a photo of the technician for easy identification. We do everything we can to respect your time, your home, and your neighborhood. But when we arrive at your home, please be aware that there may be loud noises while we are working, and we need a clear path to the plumbing or HVAC equipment. As for your furry friends, we want you to know that we are pet-friendly. But if you don't think your pet will welcome new guests, we encourage you to keep them away from our workspace. When your technician arrives, we are prepared with shoe covers to protect your home. Atlas Butler trains our plumbers and technicians to assess the issue, inspect and test HVAC and plumbing equipment for safety and efficiency, discuss the diagnosis, and present upfront pricing. Our commitment to service and quality has made Atlas Butler Central Ohio's trusted HVAC service and installation company for over 100 years, so we know a thing or two about keeping our customers happy. In order to provide the best quality customer service, your satisfaction is guaranteed. We offer our heating, cooling, and plumbing customers both a no-lemon guarantee and our property protection guarantee. You asked and we listened. Keep track of your account information with Atlas Butler's new customer portal, which was created for your ease and peace of mind. You can now pay your invoices, update payment information, and if you're a Comfort Club member, keep track of your annual Comfort Club services. Thank you for choosing to partner with Atlas Butler. We look forward to working with you to make your home as comfortable as possible. For 24/7 assistance, you can call 1-800-FURNACE or head to atlasbutler.com.